Welcome back to another training recap, guys. So, obviously, the webcam is back, and that's fantastic. And I have a fantastic week. Although on the screen it shows a losing trade, but I have a fantastic week, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week too, right? And upcoming week, I hope is a better week than this week. So yeah, let's jump right straight into this. So again, today will be just a straight recap because I just took a single trade, and yeah, let's just jump right straight into it. So, as per usual, we have a 5-minute break of structure shown 1 minute. After breaking structure, price retraced to all the way this point, right? And that's why I actually marked 2 external liquidity points. Because at first, I initially thought that this was gonna be my area where I'm gonna find the OB. But after breaking the structure here, I was really on the 1 minute searching for OB, but it just continued rising and rising until you sweep this area right here. And I was certain that an order block is going to be created here, right? And I was right. A clear order block was given to me over here, and it was quite choppy at the beginning, as you can see over here, quite choppy. But price got out of the OB zone and gave me a tap in. And from here, let's say 420 to all the way, let's say 630. I actually waited quite long for a setup to form, but price gave me a retest at 635, and that's when my sell limit got activated, because when there's a tap in, I'll just set a sell limit right after. So yeah, so I wouldn't miss the trick. So after price slightly broke the OB, but I've seen this pattern quite a number of time, and usually still go in my desired direction. So I decided to just let it hold. And price actually went to my usual target, which is 3%. 3% is my usual target, and aiming to possibly 1:3, as that's my usual target. But before I took this trade, I actually told myself that I wanted to test a 5% target to see how my trading strategy really works and how far I can target. Is it going to be a sniper TP, or is it just going to let it run through my TP? But price, after hitting my 3% target, I decided to hold because I want to test with a live trade and to really collect data from it. And price expands and hit my sell, right? So I wouldn't say this is a bad loss. This obviously is a loss, but I wouldn't say it's a bad loss. I'm able to collect data from it. I'm able to see how price really move, because I actually traded in a time I'm not really too used to it. As you can see, I usually trade only in London session. Right, my trade is either happening late in Asia to early London, right? I don't usually trade anywhere near New York. So this is something new to me, which I can collect data from, and yeah, I learned a lot from this trade. Just from a single trade, I'm able to learn quite a bit, right? But obviously, a single trade wouldn't collect much data, right? I need at least 5 to 10 trades to know whether it clearly works. But refinement here and there, maybe forward test it, back test it. But yeah, a good trade, I would say. And right, so there's something major happening in the overall market, you can say, right? Stocks, whatever. So let me just talk about this, simplify everything, like why did the government shut down. So you guys should know about the US and China trade war, right? And it just got a whole lot worse. When you check your stocks, your crypto, both should be dumping like crazy, right? Crypto got 19 billion liquidated, if the numbers are correct. And the stocks like S&P 500, Nasdaq is all going down like crazy. And I'm here to inform you guys why is that is happening, or even the pair you're trading, Forex, right? Why is it rising? So, firstly, you have additional 100% tariff. making the total of China total tariff percentage to 130%. Not only that, added export control on tech related goods. And of course, Trump will say he'll reverse his actions if President Xi reverse his actions too. So, reversing tariff if China back down from rare earth restrictions. And this might affect their future meetings, which was supposed to be in South Korea, if not not wrong. So affect meetings between US and China. Right? So this is a total overview of what happened to the market. And you can say your stocks as S&P 500 from is down 2.7%. Right? I'm also holding some and it dumped like crazy. And even you can say Forex. Gold right now is acting as a safe haven, right? And for GBPUSD or even EURUSD, both are rising, right? So this is a total overview of the US and China trade war tension recently. It was quite surprising, and I hope next week we see some progress into making things better, because all I see is red on my portfolio. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time, and hopefully you learn something from this video. So yeah, I'll see you guys.